Okay, good morning to you all. I last told you last time that I last told you when we met for our last period or our last lesson. I told you we are going to use 10 minutes for our quiz whenever we meet. And by His grace, today we are going to meet, or we are meeting this afternoon. So we will use this morning lesson for our to learn, and in the afternoon we use that one for the quiz. So let's take note. And today's lesson that we are going to learn is some basic requirements of internet. And when we talk of basic requirements of internet, I hope most of you have ever heard of it. And our second thing that we have to put in mind that by the end of this lesson, you will be able to tell or learn is the three layout components of network. Okay. And beside, let's recall or talk about what we learned the last time we met. Last time we met, we talked about internet access. We talked about the history of internet. We talked about history of internet and how internet came into existence. Okay, today we are going to talk about some basic requirements of internet. And before we proceed, we have to recall the meaning of network, because we cannot go away with network, or we cannot move on with internet without talking about network. And when we talk of network, it's a connection of computers and devices connected by communication channel that facilitate communication among users and allow users to share resources with other users. So when you connect your computers with other people or other device, you connect computer A is connected to computer B to computer C, and that's rest. And you share information. That is what we call computer network. You share when you are in need of anything, you contact the other person, he or she will then forward it to you, or maybe you can go straight to him or her server to pick it from there. Example of files that we can share through network is maybe images, videos, documents, files, and the rest. When I talk of files too, they are the same thing that we have been seeing. Something like you have finished typing your assignment and the rest. All those things become files. And let's come down due to time factor. Let's come down to look at the layout of a network. Has three layers of components. So let's look at those ones. We have application software, we have network software, we have network hardware. So these are the three layout of network components. So let's start deliberating on them one by one. We have application software, and it consists of programs that interfere with network usage and permit the sharing of information such as file, graphic, videos, resources such as printers and disks. So, however, another one Network software. And when we talk of network software, it consists of computer programs that enable protocols or rules for computer to talk to another. These protocols are carried out by sending and receiving formatted instructions of data called packets. Have you seen it? Protocol packets belong connected between network applications, direct the movement of network packet or direct the movement of packet through the physical network and minimize the possibility of collision between packets sent at the same time. So that is the other one. And the last one is network hardware. Network hardware, it is made up of the physical component that connect computers. Two important components are the transmission media that carry computer signal physical physically on wire or fiber. Have you seen it? So when you talk of the hardware, they are the physical component that you can see, and sending files can pass through it. Let's put it that way. You can share information through it. Share information. Maybe there's office A, there's office B, and the computers are in there. You connect to each other and you start sharing it to each other. The same thing, we are in the same office. We have 2 or 3 computers over there. We use these network hardware to connect them. Then you share information among yourselves. Have you seen it? We have wireless router. We have network cable. We have wire router. Okay, network card and the rest. These are the physical, or maybe they are the hardware components of network. I hope you are listening to me very well, and I would like you to also tell me concerning what I just said. Mention the 3 layout of a network component. You should know it, so I know you can tell me.